Good morning, children. Namaste. How are you? I hope you are keeping well with your health and studies. By the way, today we are going to learn something about a new chapter that is from uh, Footprints Without Feet. The name of the chapter is The Thief's Story. We have so far learned something about three chapters, four chapters, better to say. One story from First Flight, A Letter to God by G.L. Fuentes, two poems by one poet, Dust of Snow, Fire and Ice by Robert Frost, and the first story from Footprints Without Feet. What was that? A triumph of victory. Sorry, a triumph of surgery. A triumph of surgery by James Herriot. Now we are in the second story. Second story, The Thief's Story by Ruskin Bond. This story, if you see very minutely, this is actually a story, very interesting story that will keep you engaged in uh, each line and each turning point, each episode. But the fact is very simple that uh, badness in a man can be won over by goodness. Means badness, you know the meaning of badness? Yes, evil. Badness of a person can be changed through good action, good deeds. The whole story revolves around two characters. One is a thief, 15-year-old thief. His name is Hari Singh. He is a very clever thief. Why clever? Because he uh, he can win the heart of any person by means of flattery. He changes his names, changes his place in order to deceive the police department. Other character is Anil, a 25-year-old writer. He sells his book, he writes some article and sells his book and earns some money. So, one character is a thief, bad, and other character is a writer, good. Hari Singh represents badness and Anil represents goodness. One day it so happens that Hari Singh meets Anil in the wrestling match. Wrestling match was going on and he came very close to Anil and started flattering. He requested him to employ him in his house as a cook. In the beginning, Anil did not want to employ any stranger, any unknown person in his house. But later on he was persuaded and he became ready to employ him in the house as a cook. From the first day, Hari Singh did not prove that he was a good cook. His food was not tasty, and but somehow he requested and persuaded Anil to keep him in the house. In course of time, Hari Singh was able to win the heart of Anil. Anil allowed him to go here and there in the house, in his room, He gave him full liberty in the house. He was given money to go for shopping, and while going for shopping, he used to save 1 or 2 rupees every day. The main motto of Anil was to give him some education. Start him to give some lesson of how to read and how to write. But as Hari Singh was a thief, he was not moved towards education. He was trying to find an opportunity, a chance to rob Anil. One day, Anil came back home very joyously with a bundle of notes. 50 rupees, bundle of 50 rupees, 50 rupee notes bundle actually. 50 rupees notes bundle. He came home and he put the bundle under his mattress, and this was seen by Hari Singh. At night when Anil was sleeping, Hari entered his bedroom and put his hand under his mattress and took out 50 sorry 12 50 rupees note, means 600. He took out 600 rupees from under the mattress of Anil and went out. He started running towards the station. He wanted to catch the Lucknow Express train to go to Lucknow. When he reached the station, the train was leaving the platform. He could catch the train, but somehow he missed the train. Now he came out of the platform, moved hither and thither. It started raining. He held his note very tightly in order to protect from rain, but notes were already wet. He was shivering, trembling, and all of a sudden there came a good spirit in him, and he thought to go back to Anil's house. It was already midnight. When Hari Singh reached Anil's bedroom, Anil was still sleeping. Hari Singh put back the notes under the mattress and went to his sleeping place. In the morning, Anil took a 50 rupee note and handed it over to Hari Singh. The note was still wet, WET wet. That means that was already understood by Anil. Whatever activities were done, were committed by Hari Singh, it was noticed by Anil. When Hari Singh received 50 rupee notes, he understood that certainly Anil had noticed everything. But from that very time, it brought a great change in him. So this great transformation was only because of Anil's goodness. Anil's goodness brought a change in a bad thief, and now Hari Singh became a very good boy, good person. Thank you. Now, from this very chapter, I think you understood this story, and certainly you can say that the story is very interesting. How a thief, from his mischievous or wicked intention, became a good person. How a very bad person, how a very bad thief becomes a good person. This has been written in this story. You will read the story certainly, or you will listen to the video again and again, watch the video again and again, then you will try to write the question answer, inner question answer. Suppose, who was Anil? Who was Hari Singh? How old was Anil? How old was Hari Singh? Why did Hari Singh request Anil to employ him in his house? Like this. So these are as many as questions you can do. Okay? Thank you.